Right, folks, good day. Welcome to another one for the Bushman. Right now, this is not a really outdoor experience adventure, but a tech video. Right now we now come from my Kiwal Singh machine shop, pick up the engine head. The engine head good. We shave it and thing. Now we going by Boogie, the mechanic. We go and check out the vibes there. He say he scrapped the whole engine, and well, I'm going to check him drop off the head and see where's the vibes. So yeah, we decided to rebuild the engine from scratch, brand new parts. You know, when the Bushman Express come back out, I know it looking all beat up. I know the Bushman Express looking beat up and thing, but I want the heart and intestine like a brand new one when the Bushman Express come out. Don't mind the body beat up. That is small thing. Yeah. So we on Monroe Road. We heading north on the highway. We exit to Monroe Road. Now we going over the flyover to east side Monroe Road. And we heading up Monroe Road. So look at the directions to get to Boogie, right? Right, so we turning right on Monroe Road here. Yeah. And we going over the flyover. Heading east. Abraham's Grill a little lower down there on your right. Yeah, Abraham's Grill. And look, we have UTT Chagonas campus on your left there. Nice. Yeah. So we heading along Monroe Road. 25 lime for $20. Abraham's on your right. We have here some medical complex. TJ's warehouse grocery shopping. Nice. And we have a sign there on your left. Big shrimp, kingfish, boshes, salmon curried, redfish, cockerel, clean shrimp. Well, they're closed. Big vegetable shed on your left. Flamboyant restaurant on your right. So let's stay with me. Giving all the directions, start top mechanic. I mean, we're doing things by Boogie a while. I have our next mechanic, but I'll go by here in a time and give my job and showcase it too. Yeah, you know, I don't know me. 3D cars for sale was on your left, but they move out. Nice, so we about halfway to Boogie's garage. Oh, the garage ain't in Boogie's garage, eh? Rakesh Auto Garage. So we have T&Z Home Improvement on your right. Yeah, T&Z, the tile place. Yeah. So yeah, folks, when the Bushman Express come out, I have real plans. Hopefully, the country might open back the beach, you know, this, that, to do road trips. Yeah, we go on run it right after. It's real vibes. Vibes can't done, what they say? Yeah, vibes can't done. Yeah. So my partner, it have a road on your right there. And my partner Chico living there. This road right here, but the sign break down. I think it's around Passage Street. Yeah, I have a video to release with Chico and the rabbits. Chico doing some rabbit farming. He have not much, about 25 titties so far. They're making youngs. He breeding rabbits and, you know. Right. Oh, I almost forget. Right, look, Rakesh Garage right here. See the sign there? Garage. You just drive down to the back here, and yeah, that is Rakesh to the back here. Yes, sir. Alright, folks, we by the garage here. Mr. Boogeyman Garage. Nice. So, where we have here, this is for lift. Like a service underneath and repair. Yeah, so professional thing then. No. Yeah, professional business here. We have lifts here and well. Which car? This one? Right, we are. All right. So we have a Mitsubishi here. Mitsubishi what? Mitsubishi Airtrek for sale. 22,000 without engine. Yeah. And when engine fix, what price?
About 45.
45 with engine. Right, so 4G turbo. Nice. Right, so as I say, this is the situation here. Nice. So Saturday I coming back here, I go and clean out my engine area, clean out everything real clean. So when that engine go back, as I say, the heart, yeah, we're running like oil after. His adventures like wow. Yeah. Alright folks, so stay tuned for what will be happening next with the Bushman Express. Nice folks, so we head into the diesel pump and injectors technician. Yeah, we take the exit to go out Charlieville. Yeah, the exit on the highway, northbound lane to go to Charlieville, and we heading up. Passing this dollar value sign. And taking the next exit to go on the Caroni Savannah Road now. So that is this exit here. Yeah, this left right here. Nice, and we have the gas station at the end of this road where we meet the main road. You go straight across and you go into Pier Road. Right? Ooh, look at that bad Mustang there. Right. Yeah, so yeah, we're going straight across here. It have Wingwa Chinese restaurant on your left, the gas station on your right. You go straight across, proceed with caution. Yeah, and drive for about say a mile or so, and we will meet the shop. Yeah. Yeah, Wingwa there, gas station on your right. The right words I'm looking for is the diesel pump and injector service station or shop. Nice, so we headed down Pier Road now. Passing the Pier Road ground. Yeah, nice, so we passing the Pier Road ground. Nice, so we just had the big Ramlila or Ramdela. Yeah, around Diwali time. Nice, so we coming up to the technician shop, Johnny Q Barbecue Tent Rental. This Lucozade building here. Right, the poultry depot right after on your left. Yeah, that is where we're stopping, right over here. RNS Poultry Depot. Yeah, folks, so this diesel service center here, diesel pump and injectors. Yeah, they bring my injectors by the guy, right? The guy gave me the option, well, he could do it, but since the engine overheat and the injectors had looked a little black, he recommended I get some foreign use or new ones. But he say he could try his best for me and do it. You know, it's not like as I went to the guy, he say, yeah, he could do it and, you know, charge my money and anyhow we do it. He gave me the option, well, if I want to leave it, and he will try his best or go and get new ones, you know. So that is where you're looking people when you look for in people when you go to get something done. The honesty and the, you know. Yeah, so let me just go and get a shot at the number, the place, so you all could come and check out the guy. You know, when you're in situations like mine's. Yeah, so there we go. Alright, so we are at the shop here. It's Connected Diesel Solutions. Yeah, this is the number here, 6650-356-729-7199. Yeah. Right, so we buy the shop here now, so I know what kind of machine is this thing. Yeah. What does machine do here?
That's the injector.
Injector?
That's the injector.
Oh, to test the injectors.
Common rail injectors.
Common rail injectors, nice. So the repair, what you do again? Repair diesel injector pump.
Yeah, pump injectors. Yeah.
Pump and injectors mainly. Nice. And something you was telling about this big machine here. This is the what machine is this?
This is a testing machine. This is a
Calibrate.
machine.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's looking like a serious kind of
Yeah, that's a
foreign thingamajig to me here.
Yeah.
Well, first time I seen this. Yeah. So nice. Nice. So when you come out the shop, you're getting computerized. What do you call it? Testing. Computerized testing and troubleshooting and stuff. Nice. Yeah. Nice, folks. So we still at the diesel injector service station here, and we're getting a machine in action here. Yeah. So this machine is
This is a calibrated injector, so check them and make sure everything good.
yeah, you will check the injectors and make sure it's good. Yeah. So how this one performing right now? You can't really tell yet?
Well, right now we're doing a leak test.
Leak test.
Yeah.
Oh, leak test.
You see in the leak test
Yeah,
here,
leak
this is your
test.
values here, that's your, what you're getting here, and this is your main values here.
Okay.
It's take about probably about 4 minutes, 5 minutes for the whole process to finish.
And what causing this to vibrate?
That is injection, the pressure.
Oh, that
Yeah.
movement, something moving
Yeah,
inside
yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
The injector working like how it is function on the engine.
So this one functioning kind of good.
Yeah, well, so far it's within the specs.
Right.
69.6 plus or minus 10.6.
Alright, nice.
Giving a maximum fuel about 69, 79.
Yeah.
Which is 80.4, 80.2.
Nice.
So within the value.
Nice.
You see when it goes through each step, they will tell you if it pass or it fail.
Right.
They have a tolerance.
So let me see what's going on with Boogie. Last time I recorded him, I didn't get him doing nothing. So now we catching him in action right now. Yeah, and watch what's going on there. That is the heart of the Bushman Express. That way all the oil is flow. I got to say blood. Yeah, so that way all the oil is flow. But that, yeah, look at that. The engine rebuilt from scratch. When I tell you scratch, mount down in pieces, everything come out. Yeah.
New pistons, everything.
New piston, ring, back seal, front seal. Nice, and that is the man day. Yeah. And all you know, I don't deal with nobody fly by night person. Yeah. I just had to feel your vibes and interact with you now. So Boogeyman, I feel the vibes and yes. And we have some turns to make too. You could check our next video for the Toko road trip. Yeah. This engine was greasy, dirty, ready to throw away, I feel. When the van overheat and look away, I can't believe that way. With the yeah, tappet pan, pin top, crankies. And we had the head here, this head come out from my K-Wall Sing. Most people don't know K-Wall Sing, yeah. The head did whap, head gasket blow. We carried to shave back the head and stuff, so yeah. Nice. So we had this the underneath of the engine here with the crankcase and this the strainer, eh?
Oil pump.
Did the oil pump?
Did the oil pump and the strainer.
Oil pump and strainer. And we have a young apprentice here. Nice.
Puppet.
He named Puppet. Puppet?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
I got that.
How old is now? 18? 19?
18.
So what is your goal? How you see yourself in the next 10 years?
Probably working in a firm.
Working in a firm?
Yeah.
Why not working for yourself? Oh.
Well, want to get more experience between people.
Right. You still wanna
10 years. If you haven't done 10 years, then you can't do that again.
yeah. So right, so for the youths out there, find out yourself in something positive in life. You know, where you could carry you some way. Yeah. Nice. Yep. What's the anything?
I'll jump on your side.
You jump on my side?
Yeah, I'll jump on your side and check.
Nice. So we have a guy here by the garage. Wait, you come to fix?
Yeah, come to do some repairs to the car.
Oh, this guy come to do some repairs and well, he see me with the camera and thing, so he asked me, what is that all about? So, well, I tell him the name of my channel and stuff, so he go and check out the channel and jump on board too.
Absolutely.
Nice. Right, so he come to fix the Honda Civic.
Yeah.
What problem?
I have a bearing problem in the back.
Bearing problem?
My top fan cover seal
Leaking.
was leaking. So
Nice, so you want to get that sorted out?
I sorted out already.
That? You finished?
Yeah, I ready to look.
Alright, nice. So all you,
I'm not ready.
so you see this man car finish and he stay back just to admire that work they're doing there with that engine. Yeah? This man stay back just to watch that, the Bushman Express engine. Yeah. So nice. We're gonna eat up something now and we'll see one. Nice. So we are a little further into the mountain up here now. Making your own gasket from silicone. Nice.
Just a few minutes dry.
The machine go under there, looking like it.
Beads.
Beads. Cascado beads. Yeah. Nice, so we know don't mash up with pilau here. Yeah, them boys say it was nice. Right, and what's going on here now? Head painting up, ready to mount up. Nice, and who say you had to throw your engine when it's damaged? No, rebuild it. Yeah. Check Boogie is the man to do it for you. Yeah.
And what was the brave then? Party and putting it up live too.
Nice, so the block you could see finish and doing the moving up the head now. The young apprentice by the side here. Yes, sir. When you're done here, you could go and work for BMW, I think. Waiting.
Hopefully.
Still in. Nice.
Land Rover.
Land Rover. Yeah, boy. I went by the man to buy the radiator. He said, who you fixing by? I say Bogey. He say yes. I gone by the market shed too.
Hmm.
The man say, your engine thing, who you fixing by? I say, Boogie. He say, yes, Boogie's fixing all my vehicle. Look that van, how they this, that, my daughter, everybody.
Hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, you're real. People know you all over now. Like.
Yeah, well, why are we doing this?
Yeah. Yes, how much years here in this? 23 years? Since 11. Like nearly 30 something.
Yes, 42.
Way! 31 years. Nice. Nice. So food I enter mountain up the engine head is putting back the valve then with this G clamp tool here. Yeah.
Should I tape outside out? Inside.
With the young apprentice as the assistant here.
When you ready?
Yeah.
No.
No, okay, worry.
Set it good. You're frightened or you nervous?
Yeah, bye.
Come on, man. Come to you. Come here, ready? Simple sign on.
Yeah. Nice, isn't it? Alright.
Is this puppet giving trouble?
Oh. Number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 down, 7 to go. So nice. So let's see how it is like it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nice, folks. So this is where we reached so far. Now went by Londonville Auto Supplies to get some engine mount for this and glow plugs. Best price in town. Nice. So yeah, head mount up to the block and you know what next? Them boy don't know the thing. Me know what going on here really. Yeah. So nice, folks. So we did all them little fine thing, one mount up glow plug and this and that, and after this going in the van tomorrow.
No.
No, today.
No.
Yeah, that performance day.
Tomorrow is the
Nice. So all my subscribers and viewers who viewing this tech video, all I don't know. I had a seen it again. Yeah. Once all you have a vehicle, this vlog is for you. Yeah. Nice, folks. So right now we in the engine area here. We just gonna clean out the little gum and little dirt and thing. Yeah. In preparation for the engine. Engine coming on here today. Yes. So we in our gear. So nice. Just dig out the little dirt and get everything, you know, and spanking clean. Yeah, and soon we're rolling again. So nice. As I said, this vlog is for anybody with a vehicle. Yeah. I'm gonna leave Boogie number and a text plus the diesel pump repair guy with the injectors. Yeah. So nice. Right, so we are the engine going up, you know, and mounting up little the standard gearbox. Oh.
some grease to the tipper.
Again, we are the apprentice here on the side, always.
Maybe we try again.
What that's it?
Carry up in the shit in. What's that in? Put the jack in the
Nice folks, so we don't mount up mostly everything. The radiator alone at the come, but we're going to see if we get a starter tumble on it and see how it's functioning right now. So nice. Anytime you're ready, day one.
Macam mana dia ni dia, bhai?
Yeah, the moment I choose now. Yeah.
Heat, chicken diesel, heat, current.
Ay, one bounce after mounting up from scratch. Like oil. Nice folks, so let's see. A smiling day, let's see my smiling day. So I highly recommend Boogie. Yeah, as I say, I have other mechanic, I forget the man thing. You know, I will still vibe the man thing. Yeah, but yeah. So we just had to get the radiator there, hook up and thing now. The radiator still repairing, it's probably done by now, but yeah. Ay. Within 4 days, engine rebuild everything and back in the Bushman Express. Yeah. Nice, so we almost at the end of this tech vlog here. See radiator inside, brand new radiator, brand new hose, brand new engine. You could see. Yeah, we're ready to run in a bit.
My brother is.
Full water?
Yeah, full up.
Full. Battery.
Nice folks, so we now reach the end of this tech vlog. Hope you all learn a thing or two along the way. How to cook lentil pilau, you know, and the injector place plus Boogie. I went by a guy Jason to rebuild my radiator from brand new. Jason and Kiwal Singh. Well, most people in Trinidad know Kiwal Singh Auto Supplies. Nice. So yeah, so that was another great vlog from the Bushman, a tech vlog. So nice. See you in the next one. Over and out.